And now I'm going to show you how to get the student up and running with a Learnics assignment. So first of all, they need the Learnics Insight Link Chrome extension installed on their device. If they do not already have that, they can get that through learnics.com's the Get Started page. The Learners tab has a link directly to the Chrome Web Store where they can install it. If they do not have access to install Chrome extensions on their devices, it will have to be added by the technology staff of the school. So once they have that all up and ready to go, there are two ways to start working on an assignment. First, they could visit that assignment link directly, and that takes them right to their own assignment page, the same assignment, but they also have these controls. Through these controls, they can start logging, they can pause their logging, they can view all their logs and submit the assignment. They can also, once they have submitted an assignment, which they can do multiple times, they could go to the analytics page and view their own analytics. The other way to do this is through the Chrome extension itself. There's a pop-up screen here, and they can enter the access code and hit submit, and it will add it there. And then they can start logging up here, stop, hand in logs, clear their logs, and view their logs at the bottom here.